Okay. So this is, there are 942 students in a school. There is one school. In that school, there are 942 students. Okay. Now, this is out 9. This means total students in a school, total number of students in a school is equal to 942, out of which 567 are girls. So total students are 942, and out of those 942 students, 567 are girls. Now they are asking you how many boys are there in this school. They are asking you how many boys are there in the school. So what we will do? We will do subtraction here because they have given you total. Out of those total number of students, 567 are girls. And now they are asking you how many are boys. So what we'll do now? We'll do subtraction here. But before that, we have to write here some statements. So after writing this question, leave one line and then start writing these statements. So now the question is, sorry, your first statement is number of students equal to how many? 942. Then number of girls. How many girls are there? Shrivas, how many girls are there in a school? Shrivas, how many girls are there?
557.
Priyasan, I didn't ask you. I asked Shrivas. Yes, Shrivas.
567, ma'am.
567. Okay. Yes, Akshat. Akshat, you were raising your hand. Tell me fast. What is your doubt? You are not speaking anything. So this is 567. Now what we will do? We will subtract these two numbers. We will subtract these two numbers. Yes, Akshat. Akshat. Yeah. Yes, speak up, Akshat. Not speaking. Yes, Aslan.
Ma'am, we should write that question also.
What? What, Aslan? I didn't get you.
Ma'am, do we need to write this question also?
Do we need to write this?
Question also.
Yes, you have to write this question also. Because this is not in your book. Yes, after that, number of girls. Now what we will do, we'll subtract these two numbers. Okay, so before that, we have to arrange these numbers in ones, tens, and hundreds column. Right? So this H stands for hundreds, T stands for tens, and O stands for ones. So your biggest number is 942. So we'll write that number first. 942. Then what we'll do, we'll write next number, that is 567. We'll put minus sign and then we will write number 567. After arranging these two numbers in ones, tens, and hundreds column, we will subtract these two numbers. Okay. Okay. So now we have to subtract 567 from 942. Right? We have to subtract 567 from 942. Tanishka?
Ma'am.
Yeah. You tell me, is it possible to take away 7 from 2?
No, ma'am.
What we will do?
We should take borrow from 4.
Very good. So we will take borrow from this 4. What this 4 will become?
3, ma'am.
So if we will take 110 borrow from this 4 will become 3. And what this 2 will become in one's place?
We should borrow 2 and we'll get 12.
We will cut this 2 and then we will write it as 12. Okay, Tanishka? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Tanishka, now tell me 12 minus 7, how much? Start counting after 7 and count till 12.
Ma'am, what?
Tanishka, 12 minus 7 is how much? Start counting after 7 and count till 12 and then tell me. Start counting after 7.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, ma'am.
How many fingers?
5 fingers, ma'am.
Yeah, so 12 minus 7 equal to 5. Okay, so we'll write 5 in ones place. Okay. Adya,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, now numbers in tens place are 3 and 6. Is it possible to take away 6 from 3?
13, ma'am.
Okay, so it's not possible. So what this 9 will become?
8, ma'am.
Yeah, so we'll take borrow. So this 9 will become 8. We will cut this 9 and we will write 8. Okay, and this 3 will become?
13
Yes,
minus 6
Adya,
is
what this 3 will become?
13.
13, ma'am. 3 will become 13.
Okay, so we'll cut this 3 and we'll write here 13. Okay, very good. So now tell me 13 minus 6, how much?
13 minus 6. 7, ma'am.
Very good. 13 minus 6 is 7. Okay, that's correct. Very good, Adya. Okay, Dhriti Rathi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now tell me 8 minus 5, how much?
Minus 5. 3, ma'am.
Yeah, 8 minus 5 is 3. That's correct. Good. So this is 375. 375. So we'll write our last statement now. This is number of girls number of boys. Number of boys equal to 375. 375. Write this fast in your math notebook. Yes, children, write fast. Okay, I hope you all have completed. Is there anyone who is still writing? Yes, children, is there anyone who is still writing? Tanishka still writing?
No, ma'am. Complete.
Children, is there anyone who is still writing? No? Fine. Now, next question. Yes, children, write down second word problem. So this is Ram had, and you will note down this word problem in next page. Ram had 687 marbles. He gave 618 marbles to Sam. How many marbles are left with him now? Write down this word problem. You have to write this in a new page. Ashmita Nalla, please turn on your camera. Eviki Ganesh, Bilvika, Akshaya, Ashret, Anik, P. Shreyan. I want to see whether you people are writing or not. Jay, C.S. Shreyan, Priyansika, Aditya Ram, Shreyas, Ashrita, Azlan, cameras on. Advaita, you also. Manvit, are you writing? Okay. Yes, children, start writing. Okay, Akshaya's camera is on, Manvit's camera on, Bilvika, Priyansika, your cameras are on. Okay. Yes, Advaita.
What happened, ma'am? We got some internet problem.
I didn't get you, ma'am. What are you asking?
We got some internet problem, ma'am. Now
Okay.
it's okay.
So now, I mean, what do you want from me? I didn't get you. You are telling me or you are asking me?
Huh. Ma'am, you called Advaita, right, ma'am?
I just asked her to turn on her camera.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
We didn't get that.
Okay, okay. No, I just want each and every child to turn on his camera so that I can see whether they all are writing or not. P. Shreyan, I can't see you. Anik, Sai, Jay, Shreyas, Atlan. Shri Hassan's camera is also off now. Yeah, now Jay's camera is on. Okay. We'll start now. Priyansika, write fast. Ashrat, I can see your fan, but I can't see you. Ashrat Rao. Okay, Priyansika. Okay, so we'll start now. This is Ram had 687 marbles. Ram had, there's one boy, Ram, he had 687 marbles. And out of those 687 marbles, he gave 618 marbles to Sam. There is another boy, Ram gave 618 marbles to Sam. Now they are asking how many marbles are left with him now. This is how many marbles are left with Ram now. Okay, so there's one boy, Ram. Ram had 687 marbles, and out of those total 687 marbles, he gave 618 marbles to Sam. Now the question is, how many marbles are left with him now? And I've told you, whenever this left word is there, or they ask you how many more, or more by how much, what is the difference, if these kind of words are there, at that time you have to do subtraction. So this left word is there, this means we'll subtract these two given numbers, but before that we need to write the statement, right? So we'll be writing that statement. And remember one thing, children, whenever you are subtracting two numbers, always write the biggest number first. When you are arranging those numbers in ones, tens and hundreds column, you will write the biggest number first, right? So after writing this question, leave one line and then write the statement. So this is number of marbles Ram had equal to how many? 687. Then number of marbles he gave to Sam. Lohit, unmute yourself. Yeah, how many marbles Ram gave to Sam?
618.
618. Okay, very good. So, number of marbles he gave to Sam equal to 618. Okay. And children, if you don't have sufficient space, you can write this second statement in next line also. As I know your next question will be, ma'am, I don't have sufficient space. Where should I write? Okay, so I'm telling you this in advance that if you don't have sufficient space, you can write this second statement in next line. Now we will arrange these numbers in ones, tens and hundreds column. Okay. So your biggest number is 687. So we'll write that first. 6 we'll write in hundreds place. 8 we'll write in tens place. And 7 we'll write in ones place. Now we'll write our next number, 618, and beside that number we'll put minus sign. Okay. Now we will subtract these two numbers. Yes, Riti?
Ma'am, what is your page number?
Riti, this is not in your book. You have to write this word problem in your notebook. Revision is going on, so you have to write this in your notebook.
Let out.
Okay, so we'll start subtracting these two numbers now. Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now tell me what are the numbers in ones place?
7 and 8.
7 and 8. Okay, so tell me, is it possible to take away 8 from 7?
No. No, ma'am.
What we will do?
Huh?
What we should do now?
Borrow.
Okay, so what this 8 will become?
It will become 7.
Okay, so we will cut this 8 and 8, this 8 will become 7. And what this 7 will become in one's place?
17.
Okay, so we'll cut this 7 and this 7 will become 17. Okay. Now tell me, Arun, 17 minus 8 equal to how much? Start counting after 8 and count till 17.
Okay, ma'am. लेकिन बेटा जपान बेटा बेटी भी बोल रहे 9, ma'am.
Very good. So 17 minus 8 equal to 9. That's correct. Write 9 in one's place. Okay, Arun, thank you so much. That's correct. Supratik, now you tell me 7 minus 1, how much? Show us
Ma'am, 6, ma'am.
how much?
6, ma'am.
6. Okay, that's correct. So 7 minus 1 is 6. So we will write 6 in tens place. ABK Ganesh, you tell me 6 minus 6, how much?
0.
Okay, that's correct. 6 minus 6 is 0. Whenever you are subtracting a number from itself, answer is 0. Okay, so answer is 6969. So we'll write our last statement. This is number of marbles left with him now equal to 6969. Write the statement quickly, children. Number of marbles left with him now equal to 6969. Yes, children, is there anyone who is still writing? Write fast, come on. Write fast. Yes, Aditya Ram. Aditya, come back to your place. Come on. Yes, children. Is there anyone who is still writing? If there's no one, I'll clear all this. Okay, so nobody is writing. I'll clear all this now. Yes, children, now note down this word problem. Next, third word problem. Write this question. Tanishka, start writing. Come on. Yes, children, start noting down this word problem. Lohit, start writing. Come on. And you have to write this word problem in a new page. Take out new page and start writing. Pathan.